Squash it. Ichima. On the water squat. Skirt. Your dirty moment camel. Skirt, skirt, skirt. All can ninjas go out.
So guys, it's currently dark outside and Sean just pulled up, so you already know what's going on. Y'all, he think he gonna hide from the camera. Get your ass host. Yeah, boy. Go ahead and step out, right. Go ahead and step out.
I gotta put a hat on my head.
It's a little dark, you know what I'm saying? But
I ain't done nothing to my head, y'all. Y'all gotta excuse me.
right. Hold on. Y'all see we got the lights in here. Hold on. Check them out. Check them out. Check them out.
You already know the vibes. You know the vibes.
You don't even see me, y'all. You don't even see me.
Get the fuck out the car, nigga.
Hold on. Right.
Look at the boy. Hold on. I got him all work clothes. What you talking about? Since I got her Snapchat. What's good with it? I just
Did he just open the door?
Yeah, I opened the whole damn shit. Nigga, I thought the door head came over by itself. I was like, no, Clarence!
Hold on.
I can't. This person in front of me. I would get that hand.
No, her window already down. Her window already down.
There
Her
might
window.
be a nigga in there.
Her window down. Her window down. Her window down.
Hey, y'all cute.
It's only one girl in there.
Wait, did she look at you?
No, I think she was paying attention.
Waste that damn honey mustard on my damn seat last night.
Oh, you did what?
Yeah, I raced that bitch on the seat all on. It'll be alright though.
Yeah, damn.
Quick, get up with some hand sanitizer.
What the hell? Sean gonna get us damn copyrighted in this bitch.
Alright.
This sounds bad.
You said what? What you said, Sean?
Nothing.
Nah, what you said?
He said, you know what she said. You said they got that thing in their pants.
Oh, you gay, nigga.
That's alright, I got a thing.
Sean, you the one said it first. Why you playing?
No, the fuck I did.
Right.
Glock. Ow. Damn, what? Why I'm trying to turn around and see what happens.
Nigga, just undo your seat and get on that side, cause you.
This shit, I'm sticking my head out the window. What's going on out here?
Clarence.
What's going on out here?
Sean, please tell me you locked this window, boy.
Hey.
Close the door, boy.
Go put the child lock on that shit. You got.
Sean, that's the heater, boy.
Down here.
It's air.
He trying to kill us. Get locked up, y'all. We gonna get locked up. Clarence. Oh God, we're gonna get locked up.
Shit, I'm about to take a piss too.
No, Sean, I'm not playing, bro. No.
That shit felt good.
Oh my God, get your ass in the car. Yo, this nigga just peed in the bushes.
What's up? You already know what it is.
Hell no, we gotta go.
No,
No, we gonna have to pick another spot, nigga.
No, they ain't see shit, nigga.
Right.
Hey, no, you remember Honey Pie? I peed in the bushes.
Oh, you really did pee in the bushes, though. Oh, no. Well, I gotta record early. Clarence, if you don't quit shaking that daggone cup, bro.
It has to get cold.
God
Get the
damn.
light
It
on.
has to get cold, man.
Ooh, hold on.
Oh shit,
Come
man.
on, but look at these right here, though. I got these for $5.
I don't even know where the fuck my straw at.
Oh, shit. The brake shit in here. Sean, chill out, bro. I see how you looking. Right.
Don't say nothing.
Hey, Clarence, you want to put one of these back there so you can get some light back there?
Like this thing.
Yeah, we're eating again.
What's good, YouTube? You know, we got our boy Clarence.
Already know.
All right, Sean.
I ain't even finna wait.
Hold on, y'all
Nah, I
already
want some
see.
fries.
Y'all already see what we got.
We'll get some fries.
McDonald's. Hello.
Some fries.
The McDonald's Mukbang.
Some fries. Some fries.
Y'all, I'm fat. I'm sorry. I'm already eating.
I got a small, so you gonna have to borrow for yours.
She's trying a real nigga.
Right.
Thought he was gonna order some when he went up in there.
Yep.
Oh, you gotta tell the story, nigga.
Put this on the other side, bro. Yeah, y'all see we got that light? Yeah. Just try to stand it up somewhere.
Sean, you gotta tilt your damn shit up, bro.
Just
Pull it up.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah.
Damn. Okay, Clarence, he learning. Right.
Clarence got that setup back there.
The fact that she said I was learning, I really
Right.
Y'all ain't even tell. We ain't even say the blessing. Y'all ain't even telling what y'all eating.
God is good. God is great.
All right, I got
Okay,
you.
close. All right.
He
You
let
ready?
us eat.
It's your turn. No, say
You
the
know,
grace
last
for
time
real.
we did this shit.
I
it
got
didn't work
y'all.
out.
Okay, close your eyes. All
All
right.
right.
All right.
Good food, good meat, good God, let's eat.
Amen.
Amen.
Y'all, my granddaddy used to do that all the time.
You asked for sweet and sour? That's what you asked for?
Yeah.
What's in this bag right here?
Huh?
What's in this bag?
No?
No, what's in the bag?
No.
What he got in that bag, Clarence?
It's a big chicken.
Oh, we actually got it.
It's a big chicken.
You gonna let me get one of your chicken nuggets?
Y'all see how black people do.
You know how we do.
Lying
I just
down.
want one too. Actually, I
All right.
want two.
All right, y'all. Tell them what y'all got to eat, because y'all steady eating and ain't telling nobody what y'all eating.
All right,
Right?
Lord,
You take
fry.
too damn long, come on.
All right, large fry, 20 piece, and a McChicken. Fuck
So
y'all.
it's definitely my fault. Right.
Yeah, I got two double cheeseburger. Yeah, come on, you take too long. I'm sorry.
I got a bacon McDouble.
Yeah, you know how ladies do.
Alone. Check me out. Yeah. Shoot ya, boy. Got a small fry right here. Yeah.
So I'm the only real fat one out of this. Right.
So, Clarence, but we gotta tell them what you was telling us last night.
Where the hell is my damn straw?
You better hold your
My
food.
best friend might see this. We might not want to tell her.
I don't know.
Oh, boy.
We tell her our scenes. I mean, when I get comfortable with her, then I tell her our scenes. She don't know.
Ah, shit.
Yeah.
Yo, this food busting. Hold on. All right.
My mama called.
Damn, Sean. You need to time out from the food for a minute, man. Talk to the camera. Ooh.
You said talk to the camera. Hey, camera. Bye, camera.
All right. So, what, everybody?
See, she ain't fat for real. She actually dropping food. Ladies and gentlemen,
Wow, I started salivating out of my mouth.
everybody, y'all know the rule of eating McDonald's. You never drop a McDonald's fry. It's bad luck. It's 20 years of bad luck. Am I wrong? Am I wrong?
No names. It's being said.
Names.
Yeah, no names.
What no names?
Me and my girl broke up.
What about you, Clarence?
Me? I'm just vibing. I'm neutral. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, my old girl is a hoe.
I'm actually not neutral. It's a relationship, but it's not a relationship. So.
I hope she see this YouTube
Sean,
video.
I'm down talking.
Oh.
Like I was saying, it's neutral, but it's not.
Huh? I'm just playing.
I don't know when your ass be sitting on the ring without gas money. Like I was saying.
Yeah, what?
Nigga, you in my car.
But then you got gas money.
Yo, Clarence.
You see my gas meter, nigga? I don't need it right now.
Because you don't got the car cranked up. When it cranked up, it's going down.
It's already crocked. It's already crocked, nigga.
Man, son, it's hot up in here, boy. What you got going on?
Turn it on
That's
in.
because you suggested to turn the damn air conditioner off tonight. I'm on your ass tonight. Yeah.
Go ahead and continue, Terrence. I'm sorry.
It's neutral, but it's not neutral. It's kind of.
Hold on, y'all. We got that new mic.
edit all the relationship stuff out. That shit.
Everybody, rate the food so far from 1 to 10.
All right, these French fries is busting.
That French fries is soggy as hell.
Oh, you got saved by the bell, right?
What happened?
Yeah, I think that shit still
No, it
spilled.
didn't. It just stood right there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I think we're good.
All right, these French fries, busting no discussion.
Huh? Yeah, it's in the middle though.
Oh boy, we supposed to be rating the food, right?
Bro, y'all already know me. I'm fat. I'm a McDonald's fan. McDonald's, you need to sponsor us, or just sponsor me. I don't give a shit.
Well, them things look busting. Get me one of that, Sean.
No, I got that sweet and sour. You know the vibes. Hold on. I gotta make sure all of them ain't poison for y'all.
I like how you said all of them, right?
Hold on. Oh yeah.
Nah, let me dip my own. I don't know your hand.
Hold on. Nigga.
Oh shit, no offense, man. No offense.
See, that's that cousin. Look, hold on. I know she want the sauce. What is you? She dipped the back end. I'm fucking dead.
Right. We ain't just gonna dip the front end. You gotta dip the back too.
Ain't these 20 pieces?
You gotta get that back end soaked,
Oh,
boy.
there go the police.
The way that Sean looked at me.
Yeah, nigga. That nigga dipping it like. I'm
You can't
like,
just dip the
shit.
front. You gotta get the back wet too. Shoot your air, boy.
Yeah, I gotta get out of here. Make it slick up in there.
This nigga stupid.
Right.
Yo.
Y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know I'm the class clown out this group. They both fun. Like when I'm not around, it's like it's like
Right.
it's funny.
You heard them crickets, right?
Yeah.
That's because I was letting y'all talk.
Look at my boy Clarence back there. Shoot your air, boy.
Yeah, boy. You know what I'm saying? Your boy play breathe. Stop playing with.
Hold on, we gotta give a shout out to Erskine College though.
Uh-uh.
No, we gotta give a shout out to him.
No,
man.
people fake. They left the board. They left the
Fuck
board.
them.
When we started losing, they left.
They really did, though.
Well,
Like all of them, literally.
that was fake.
All the black people was gone.
Oh yeah, that's the black people. They do that with every game.
They ain't true fans, though. The real fans stay.
Oh, that was real fans stay. That was shit. That's because some people go down there.
I just spilled tea all over myself.
That's how you know you fat. Be alright.
If we turn these lights off, we can see you. That's how you know you black.
Oh. Right.
Black Lives Matter. You can cut that out.
That wasn't even funny, Sean.
That's why I told her to cut it out.
You can keep it in there.
Man, what the hell is this shit?
What?
I'm just playing.
Why your food not cooked?
Come on, you're gonna have to edit all the funny stuff.
I know when you edit this, you're gonna be roasting me.
You can't roast me.
Shit, the way you turn up that burger back there, she can.
I was laughing at Sean. I was trying to get you to look over there.
Y'all just stop playing like this. Damn, calm down, breathe.
Nigga, I'm hungry, shit.
I ain't gonna cap, I'm tearing this shit too.
Right?
Shit busting.
You over here eating from mine?
The way he ate that, when he got, what you need, Kamari?
I swear if he had a drip some on my shirt, boy.
That would have been funny. I ain't even gonna lie.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, her ass wanna be wearing white while we shooting the eating video.
For real, she thinks she's doing something.
Oh, them crumbs going in my mouth.
And don't thing going in your mouth. Right.
That's what your girl said last night.
I ain't got one.
Right. Exactly my point.
Your shit. She said it right. After you said you don't know.
One thing is,
I ain't got one either. Okay, we ain't gonna talk about it. Now be quiet. Damn!
I would say that. I would say that's what
Man,
you.
look at Sean box, boy.
Damn, nigga.
Better not eat all that damn chicken nuggets, boy. Shit.
I'm about to. Shit, the fuck.
Them things almost gone, boy.
Mm-hmm.
How many sausages you got?
Mm-hmm. Look at Maya. Got any crushes?
This burger busting, boy. Yeah.
You ignored what I said.
How your chicken nuggets, Sean?
Well, they busting. How your crush? Hmm?
Sean, I don't got no orange soda.
That ain't what I'm talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Should I say the name?
Oh, bro! Y'all niggas tripping, boy.
When I looked back there, I was like, I know what he doing.
I'm glad Clarence playing. You know what? Alright.
I'll give y'all a hint who it is. No, because not everybody on there knows.
Go ahead and cut this out.
People lazy shit. Look, you clear my throat.
Okay, rate the food from 1 to 10, starting with the french fry.
This a hole.
10.
The fact that I said this a hole and you said 10. Oh, shit.
Oh.
The chicken nuggets.
Oh, yeah, them 10. For real. McDonald's chicken nuggets.
Clarence,
always
what you
good.
got back there?
You know, I got the 2 double cheeseburgers.
Yeah, we got the same thing, except for mine got bacon on it.
Rate the burgers.
Yeah.
It's about a hard 7.
It's about a good 6. The bacon was the best part.
I mean, McDonald's is known for their chicken nuggets, so y'all know I'm going to say 10.
They're known for the Big Mac.
The fries.
Yeah, Big
Quarter
Mac,
pounder.
yeah.
Quarter pounder Big Mac.
The quarter pounder busting.
Can you believe Joseph had never had a Big Mac?
I ain't either.
I never had one until
What?
like 2 years ago.
I made Joseph a fan
I
of him
still
now.
ain't never had a Whopper before.
You never had a Whopper? You ain't black.
Nah, that shit really nasty though.
That really is, but shit.
You don't
if
want that Clarence.
You ain't
missing
never
nothing.
had them. Shit. Now, I had more food than y'all, and I finished first.
You ate the chicken sandwich too? Damn!
You said
I told you I was hungry. I ain't ate all day, nigga.
Hey, y'all trying to go on Walmart and videos.
How much you got? How much you got left, Clarence?
Oh, God.
Oh, y'all, I got something for my boy Clarence. Hold on.
Shut up.
Yeah, boy.
Put that shit back there. Oh, no. Y'all already know what time it is.
No, bro.
Y'all know
No!
what time it is.
You don't think I'm damn playing with y'all. I need my damn belt.
She said no, and she stayed putting it in.
Wait. What? Oh, boy.
Hold on, let's give Clarence his surprise first. Is you ready?
Close your eyes. Wait, hold on. Over your eyes. All right, come on, son. Hurry up. Oh, yeah. We straight. All right, here go your phone. Reach your hand. Okay.
Alright.
You can take your mask off, bro. You can take your mask off.
Start the damn video.
Come on, take your mask off.
No, start the video. Start the video.
The video's been recording the whole time.
Oh, shit.
Is you ready, though,
There ain't
Clarence?
shit on my phone.
I'm finna give it to you. We ain't even gave it to you yet. Damn.
Okay.
You ready?
Nah, put it in my hands.
Oh, boy. Is you ready?
Yeah, put it in my hands.
All right.
There you go.
All right. What it feel like?
Lucky case. Oh, shit. My people came up today.
You gotta take your...
Nigga,
You gotta take the blindfold.
take your mask off.
Now I gotta see what it feels like.
You drunk out this? You drunk out this?
Yeah.
Ooh-wee. Shit. People came up.
Well, he got that bait. Yeah, he got that bait, boy. Put it in the camera.
Let go. I already see what it is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, boy.
But, hey. Y'all know what time it is. You gotta record me doing it.
Yeah, we're going to jail.
Record me doing it.
Right.
Yeah. We gotta pray.
Oh, boy. All right, bro.
Hell fucking. Alright.
Oh, hell.
GTA mission.
I should lock his ass out there. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Get your ass in the car. Get your ass in the car, buddy. Time to go.
Yeah, window up. Oh, boy. Start my car so I can let these damn windows up. Here, start the car so I can let the windows up.
You start the car, nigga. What the hell?
Oh, hey! That nigga's getting nervous.
It is your car. That's how you do it. So when they go down, they'll be like, "Oh, it smells good down here." You know what I'm saying? It's that Route 20. Look at Sean, boy.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Sean.
Sean, where you thought you was going? Y'all, he was trying to run from the camera. Right. Yo, that shit hidden. Yeah. Hold on. Y'all trying to smell better than me or something.
Tell me a story, Grandpa.
Come on, sit on right here, sweetheart. What's the
This nigga talking to her.
Getting her, trying to get her phone.
Gonna break the car, boy.
Nigga, get in the car. Tell him to get in the car. He had been saying it's already locked. But it's a lock.
Yeah, y'all, Clarence finna go, you know.
Finna go. You
Sean
already
finna
know.
get us copyrighted. What you saying? Yeah.
I'll be catching up with y'all later. Hey, I might not be the next Saturday because my boss making me work. I mean, not next Saturday, but I meant next Friday. My boss making me work. So he might
That's all right. We film on Saturday. Shoot, yeah.
Yep, film on Saturday. Y'all gonna see me in this bit. I already know. I already pulled one tonight. She was bad. She had a nigga, but I would have beat that nigga ass. And you already know. But yeah, I catch up with y'all. Chit-chat boy.
Right.
Ooh, you good, Sean? You good, big boy?
Yeah, I spilled my tea all over myself, nigga.
Damn.
Oh,
Come on ahead in the camera, though.
This is not the way to end the vlog, y'all.
Nah, yeah, it was scary, y'all. It was like a tragic moment. I thought Sean was gonna roll off with Kalaya into a distance.
Nah, I thought we was finna die, boy. The car was rolling, boy. I was like, Sean, hit the brakes, boy.
Shit.
Yeah, you need a minute, boy. No, don't get back in the car right now.
All right.
He's still
shoot, yeah.
talking to this shit.
What the hell? All right.
On the water squawk. Skirt. Your dirty moment